Hello everyone, this is Nidhi Prakash and today we are going to work on a Valentine themed mandala. I'm going to use lots of heart shape in this one and I'm going to decode all the shapes and the patterns which are going to be used in this mandala. And I'm really excited for the pearl decoration in the circles as well as the checkers in the hearts. So let's start. I'm going to work on a 6-inch square paper. It's a Strathmore artist style. You are going to get all the materials in the description of this video with their Amazon links. So the first step is to find out the center of the paper by dividing it horizontally and vertically. Now with the use of the helix circle, we are going to put the degree marks with the distance of the 10 degrees. And now it's the time to put the markings for the concentric circles. So please mark at the 0.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7.5 centimeters from the center. And use the compass to draw all the concentric circles based on the markings. I generally use the rotator while drawing the mandala. It really helps me in speed up the process as well as it helps me to rotate the paper very easily and swiftly. And now we are drawing the diagonal lines based on all the degree marks. And please skip the center circle as we are not going to need to draw in that one. This is MandalaNPA095. I'm so excited. So as you all know, the mandala means circle and mostly we always start drawing from the center of our mandala. I'm here using Micron 03 pen and starting from the center circle. So as I told you in the beginning, I'm going to use two main beautiful decoration in this mandala. One is the checkers and the other one is the pearl style decoration. So in the center, we are going to draw this checker pattern. So now we will start working in the layer 1. So first we are going to trace all these diagonal lines with the pen and then we are going to draw all the chevron lines. We are going to make these chevron design with the diagonal lines by changing the direction in each section. So now we are proceeding to the layer 2 and in the layer 2 we are going to draw the petals which are overlapping each other. So we are not going to draw the whole petals. So the trick is to draw the half petal at the one side and then draw the other half later, and we are not going to draw that other half completely, rather we'll stop when we reach to this other petal. And the best part is that you can draw it in either direction, but keep the one direction for all the petals. So now in the third layer, as the theme says, Valentine mandala, we are going to draw lots of hearts. So in this layer third, use the two sections to draw the heart. If you want, you can draw all the hearts with the pencil first and then retrace with the pen. Or if you want, you can just draw directly with the pen. Next layer is again the same shape, hearts, but this time we are going to draw the bigger size hearts. Now please draw these tiny little circles in between the space of these hearts. And after drawing all these circles, we are going to draw few fillers, like we can fill the whole space. So ink down the whole space, or we can draw any other textured little tiny pattern. I'm going to draw the little thin vertical lines in the next section. As I'm designing this mandala, I would like to give a little bit touch of the organic element into it. So I decided to put these little leaf patterns in the outer layer of this heart, and that is the outermost layer of this beautiful mandala. And we are kind of done drawing of this mandala, and now this is the time to put all the decorations. So this is the flicking pattern which I am doing in between all of these little tiny leaf shapes. Now this is one of my very favorite pattern. This is the checkered pattern, and we call it Knight's Bridge in the Zentangle. If you want, you can get all these beautiful patterns in the Zentangle Tangle Marathon series, and you can get a lot of ideas once you make that journal of the Tangle Marathon and use them in your various Zen art. This pattern is beautiful drama pattern, and we need to be really careful and focused while filling these little tiny squares. If you want, you can you can draw little bigger squares. I know it's a little time consuming, but it really looks very pretty. That's why I chose this pattern for this specific mandala. Giving this pearl decoration to the circle is my favorite part. You are going to use any dark graphite pencil, tortillon, and any white gel pen for the highlights. I'm here using 4B graphite pencil. This is a Stadler mechanical pencil, and I really enjoyed working with this one, and I am using lots of tortillons for all the blending. Shading works wonders in our any kind of artwork, especially in all kind of the Zen artwork, as would I say. So feel free to use few color pencils if you want. You can use red colors, pink colors, or any of your favorite colors as the theme suggests, and you can make it just in the classical version the way I'm working on it. It's absolutely your choice. I would love to see what you are come up with. Share your artwork with me on my any social media, Facebook or Discord, or wherever you can connect with me, or you can send me email or message. I take Zen art classes also. If you want, you can check out on my website nparts.online about these classes. These are one-on-one as well as in the group classes too. So thanks for working with me. I really enjoyed working on this mandala. I hope you also enjoyed working on this one. Write me in the comments below. How do you feel about this mandala, and share your artwork with me.